Gachagua, the Deputy President, to make his address and invite you, Your Excellency, the President of Kenya. Karibu, Your Excellency.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Commander-in-Chief of our Defense Forces, the Minister for Labor and Social Protection, the Secretary General COTU, Mzee Francis Atwoli, the Executive Director of our employers, all protocols observed. Good afternoon. Your Excellency, your presence here is a clear testimony that your administration recognizes the Kenyan workers as a key driver of our economy and a senior partner in the country's development process. And it is for that reason, Your Excellency, the workers of Kenya, and indeed the people of Kenya, want to listen to you this afternoon. My duty, therefore, is very simple. Is to request all of us to be upstanding as I request the President of the Republic of Kenya to come and talk to the Kenyan workers and the people of Kenya, Your Excellency.